Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Dhruvi and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this makeup look. This is a soft glam makeup look. You can wear it on any occasion, on any time and anywhere. So if you want to know how I did it step by step, watch till the end and don't forget to like this video. It will mean a world to me. So let's get started with today's video.
I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down.
So firstly I'm going to be using this vitamin C facial serum. So nextly I'm going to be using a concealer, orange concealer. I'm going to be using this orange concealer. This is in the shade 288. I've finished applying the concealer. Next I'm going to be setting it with a loose powder. So nextly after this I'm going to be using this foundation from MAC. This is in the shade N45. I'm going to be using my foundation brush to spread it all over my face and then just apply it and just blend it. Just blending my foundation. Next step is concealing my under eyes. For concealing I'm going to be using this shade from Kryolan. This is in the shade FS22. I'm going to be blending with this foundation brush. Nextly I'm going to be setting my face using this compact powder. This is from Olivia. This is in the shade Natural Rose 04. I'm gonna set my all over the face. I'm going to be quickly jumping on my eyes. So for eyes I'm going to do first is my eyebrows. So for eyebrows I'm going to be using this shade, my all-time favorite shade. This is a dark brown shade. This is actually not an eyebrow product, this is an eyeshadow, but I like to use this because it is in a powdery form and it stays on my eyebrows. I'm going to just fill the empty spaces which my eyebrows have. I finished with my eyebrows. Nextly I'm gonna go on my eyes. So for eyeshadow I'm gonna be using the Morphe palette. From that palette I'm gonna be using these two shades. I'm gonna mix these two shades. This looks little red in the camera but it's moreover pink, and this is a light brown shade. I'm gonna mix both the shades and just apply. I'm gonna mix both the shades and then just apply on the outer corners of my lid. I'm not gonna go inside because I'm gonna go with the glittery shade here. I'm gonna just blend it right here. On the same palette, I'm going to be using this pink glitter shade. I'm going to do the same thing under my eyes. I'm going to mix both these shades and then just apply under my eyes. For the inner corners, I'm going to be using this shade. So I'm done with my eyeshadow. Nextly, I'm going to be using this kajal. Nextly, I'm going to be using mascara from Lotus. For nose contouring, I'm going to be using this brown shade. You can use any brown shade. I'm going to just take in a blending brush. I'm going to jump into the blush. So for blush, I have this eye matte blush from the SFR Colors. I'm going to use the peach shade. So for today, I'm going to be using two lipsticks. These are the two lipsticks. This is from NYB and this is from L18. This is in the shade R36 and this is in the shade Peppy Persian 1. I'm going to mix these both shades. I'm going to apply these first and this first. So yeah, I'm done with my look. You can see how it looks like. You can wear this on any occasion, on anywhere, on anything. So let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this look. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So for today, bye.